Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect or pretty much sync the DZ09 smartwatch to your iPhone XR. So let's go ahead and get started now. First things first, let's focus on the smartwatch first. We got to go straight into the menu here of your DZ09 smartwatch, and we'll just keep swiping across until we get to the Bluetooth section. So we'll go to that. And when you go there, you'll see power, visibility, and search new device. So first select on the word power. You'll notice it says switching. And of course, it'll go from off to on. Then we'll go to where it says visibility. You'll tap that one time. You'll notice quickly it will go from off to on as well. And then we'll select search new device. We'll go here and we'll just have that ready at the time. Now, while we're here on the smartwatch, we'll jump over back to the iPhone XR here. We'll go to settings and then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. So we'll go to Bluetooth and we'll turn that on. Now, as you turn that on, chances are you'll see it on your phone already, but you also want it to show up on your smartwatch as well. So back to the smartwatch, we'll select where it says OK. It'll say searching, and you want it to connect from the smartwatch to the phone and not selected from the phone to the smartwatch, because then there might be a connection issue. So we'll select pair here. We'll say stop searching, and notice it says pairing. There will be a pairing request. You'll see the number here. Just make sure it's matching. You'll select pair and yes at the same time. It'll say pairing. It'll tell you not connected first, but then you'll notice it says not your iPhone, whatever the name of the phone is that you have. Mine is just named not your iPhone. And then you'll notice it says connected here. That's a plane passing by. You'll notice it says connected here on your iPhone, and then it will show you that it's now connected to your smartwatch over here with the little icon here that shows that's the current device it's connected to. So that's it, guys. Other than that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And one more thing. Now we'll go to that little eye here, and then you'll see where it says sync contacts. That basically, once you toggle that, it should automatically sync your contacts to your DZ09 smartwatch. Okay, that's how it worked for me on the iPhone 7 as well. So go ahead and give that a try. Hopefully that works for you. I don't really have any contacts right now on this phone in particular, but hopefully it does work for you. And if it does, let me know in the comment section. Like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.